Wasilla is a great place to do business. It's a small, close-knit community where we all work together to make things happen. My name is Aaron Estes, and I am the technical manager for Innotek. Innotek, we started as a training company, so we do industrial training where we go in and do training and assessments for industries, helping their employees, making sure that they know what they need to know to go in and do the work that they were hired to do. In the midst of that, we've got plugged in with some educational markets and found that there was a need for equipment to actually do that training with. That's what we primarily do now. We still do training, but we also build the equipment that's used to do that training. We've also worked with a private label company, and with them we actually ship both in the United States but also internationally. So we do have equipment all over several countries in South America, Finland, Ireland, Australia, the Philippines. We've been looking at where we can expand. On average, we have anywhere from 15 to 20 employed at one time. We're looking at adding on here, so expanding that growth here. So we're staying in Irwin County, we're staying in the local community. The Innotek brand is continuing to get bigger in many different states. It's less of where we want it to go and more where we're going to follow it.